Me and Sinead's just on Nairn Beach, and I've just got a barbie going. Look at these bad boys. Aberdeen Angus, tomahawk steaks, some garlic potatoes. Oh yes. I'm just going to season with a bit of Cajun, and we're going to get these mushrooms on as well. Garlic cheese stuffed mushrooms. Ah. Beautiful, yeah. You're going to do it? Do it proper, lad. Hey, gorgeous. That's beautiful here, really nice. At top, do you know what I mean? It'll put it right out. Sodom. We're here for a good time, not a long time. Oh yeah, look at that. Neanderthal style. I'm going to wrap these in foil soon. You know, so then it all soaks up together. I might even wrap these in foil soon as well, just for extra juiciness. Oh yeah. And these were 65 quid, just for these 2 steaks. Oh, there's a wee draft here, man. These seagulls keep pestering us, man. They want this bloody steak, and they can't have this steak, can they, babe?
Nope. They will try though.
It's gonna get a bloody rock. Look at her playing there.
Yeah. I see they look good. What?
It's gonna get you. Oh my god. We're gonna go because we're getting aerial assaulted here off these little bastards. They want the steak, yeah, but they can't have the steak. There was about 4 or 5 of them here then. Swooping.